Then comes truth. What truth can we practice? One of the foreigners interviewed Gandhi. You see, a great man of his time. India calls him father of nation. So I asked my master, I said, why people call him father of nation? Actually, great Swamis live in the caves, praying all the time. They should be called father of the nations. He smiled. He took me to a railway station where Gandhi was supposed to come. So we were hiding ourselves behind the tree. You see. He said, I'll show you something. Let him get down. The way he walks and the way I walk, this resembles, but not the way you walk. I said, what's wrong with my walk? I walk straight. He said, nobody will walk the way he walks, nobody walks the way I walk. Beautiful simile. He said, do you see that horse? It's called tonga in India, buggy in this country, chariot. The horse was pulling the buggy, chariot. This man will pull. He's not walking, he's pulling as though he's pulling his body. You can easily see when he walks, you will see his body different from him. That is the difference between your walk and his walk. Don't you notice the way I walk? I said, yes, I notice it. I was 15 years of age when he taught me this. I said, how can I teach it? How can I learn? You cannot learn. When you cultivate those virtues of total selflessness, when you know that my body is different from me, my mind is different, I am not identifying myself with my mind, body and breath, then you will find yourself, body is different from you. And then you are carrying your body, exactly like as I am carrying my gown. It's different from me.